In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to Google Drive smoothly and efficiently. Whether you're new to Google Drive or just need a refresher, these steps will guide you through the process with clarity and ease. So let's dive right in and start organizing those files. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and go to the Google homepage. Once you're there, look for the Google Apps icon, which resembles a little grid or a bunch of tiny squares typically found in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking this icon will reveal a drop-down menu with various Google services. From this list, you'll see an option labeled Drive. Give that a click. This quick access takes you into Google Drive, your personal cloud storage where you can manage and keep all your files easily accessible from anywhere. Now, once inside Google Drive, you should see a list of folders and files, assuming you've used Drive before. If not, don't worry, it'll be a clean slate, ready for your uploads. Take a moment to navigate through your folders, and when you find the one you want to store your new files in, go ahead and select it. This ensures your files end up exactly where you want them, keeping everything nice and organized. After selecting your folder, you will shift your attention to the upper left-hand corner of the screen. Here, you'll find a button labeled New. Clicking this will reveal a small menu, giving you several options, but for now, we're focusing on File Upload. Selecting this will prompt your computer to open a File Explorer window, allowing you to browse through your device and find files you wish to upload. With the File Explorer open, navigate to the location on your computer where your files are stored. You can upload a variety of file types, including documents, photos, and videos. Once you've selected the files you desire to upload, you'll see the option to click Open. Doing so will begin the upload process, and you'll see the progress right at the bottom of your Google Drive window. Be sure to give it a moment, especially if the files are large, as upload times depend on file size and your internet connection speed. And just like that, you're all done. Your files are now safely stored in Google Drive, ready for whenever you need them next. With everything uploaded, your files are accessible from any device anywhere you log into your Google account. Hopefully, this guide has simplified the process for you, making Google Drive an even more powerful tool in your digital toolkit. Enjoy your newfound organization and easy access to your files.